So group retirement is a collection of individual employee accounts that are administered and serviced as a group. So companies use these as employee attraction and retention tools. How they're different from an individual basis is, although individual members manage them on their own, they're treated as a group by the employer. So whether that comes to sort of the overall plan design as a group, the contribution schedules as a group, the company manages the overall investment fund lineup as a group. And then the big thing is that it's priced as a group. So employees get the benefit of being able to take advantage of low investment management fees. Yeah, so the key benefits to participate in a group retirement plan from the employee's perspective is the number one thing is the corporate match. So most plans, the company is willing to put in some corporate dollars if an employee participates in the plan. Quite often, they're what's referred to as a 100% match. So if I put in $100, the company's willing to put in $100. So that's a huge benefit for the individual employee. The second part of the benefit from an individual perspective is because it's part of a group, the pricing of the investment options are done as a group. So you're often getting pricing on investment management fees that are, 50 to 100% or 100 basis points lower than what you would as a normal individual investor. Benefits for companies to offer it is, again, it's just another tool in their toolbox to attract and retain their employees. Yeah, so typically the investment options that are available are there a series of funds. Within those funds, you have every type of asset category available to Canadians. So you have anything from your target retirement date funds, your target risk funds, to sort of more a la carte where you have your Canadian equity, U.S. equity, fixed income, global equity, etc. One of the unique things about group retirement is group target date retirement funds were created specifically for group retirement and pensions. And so what you often see is about 80% of all assets that are invested are in those target retirement date funds. Yeah, so typically the plan design, which includes the contribution schedule, typically those are standardized, but employees have a lot of flexibility to pick what they want to match their budget. Often we definitely highlight that you should participate to the fullest. So you're getting the max match from your employer, but employees do have the ability to sort of pick and choose what they want to invest. And then obviously there's a corresponding contribution schedule that matches that. But there is a lot of flexibility from an employee standpoint. Yeah, absolutely. A big part of what we do at Lloydsat is providing that holistic advice, both at the corporate level, but then obviously down to the individual employee, or we call them members, the individual member level. So employees have us as a first point of contact to ask questions about the day-to-day administration of their group retirement plan, but then also to ask us for advice and services on the individual investments. Part of our team is our individual wealth planning team, and they're always there as a resource there for individual members too that may have some more complex financial planning needs.